we shall reflect on the life of Saint Luke. Saint Luke was a native of Antioch, the capital of Syria. A physician by profession, he was consulted by Saint Paul during an illness on his second great missionary journey and converted by him to the faith. Himself a Gentile, he thenceforth associated himself with the great apostle of the Gentiles. And while Paul was preaching in Thessalonica, Athens, and Corinth, and during his 3-year stay at Ephesus, Luke carried on the work of evangelization in Philippi. He returned with Paul to Jerusalem and visited him frequently during his imprisonment at Caesarea. It was probably at that time that Luke wrote his extensive gospel, which Saint Jerome and Saint John Chrysostom called Saint Paul's Gospel. He is rightly said to have been illumined by Saint Paul, for he recorded and interpreted with the most fidelity the oral preaching and catechizing of the great missionary. Matthew's Aramaic account was already widely circulated, and Luke doubtless also had Mark's Gospel before him as he wrote. Luke's Gospel is particularly valuable for the stress it lays on Christian purity, poverty, and joyousness, and for the graphic descriptions of the Annunciation, the Visitation, and the birth and early life of Jesus. These Luke had painstakingly collected over a period of time from those who from the beginning had been eyewitnesses, probably from Mary too. He is also credited with having painted a portrait of the Virgin Mary. Being highly educated, Luke could write in polished, elegant Greek, and he related the events to contemporary history. In his endeavor to furnish an historical background for the faith of educated Greek converts of the young church, he particularly stressed the fact that God's mercy and forgiveness extended universally both to the Jews and the Gentiles who believed in him. Thus, the parables of the Good Samaritan and the prodigal son, for instance, appear only in his Gospel. During Paul's 2 years of imprisonment in Rome, Luke was again at his side, and during that time set down the history of the church in the Acts of the Apostles. After Paul's martyrdom, Luke is thought to have gone to Dalmatia and to have died in Boeotia, Greece, probably martyred. His relics were transferred to Constantinople in the year 360. Saint Luke is the patron of physicians, artists, brewers, butchers, glassworkers, and notaries.